Selling a home full of stuff. Are you thinking about selling, but you're overwhelmed on where to start? Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I have a bonus tip for you that can save you time and money. Let's dive in. So is your home filled with years of collected or inherited items? Are you starting to feel overwhelmed with stuff and clutter? You're not alone. I get it. It's emotional, it's overwhelming, and sometimes it's just too much to handle. But don't worry, I got you. Instead of waiting till the last minute, leading to rushed decisions and added stress, let's create a plan, a timeline now. Ask yourself, how much time can I realistically spend sorting this out? Do I even want to handle this alone, or should I get some help? Did you know there are professional organizers and teams of individuals that are ready to assist you? I have lots of resources and service providers that can help you through next steps. Here's the reality. Most personal furniture just won't interest buyers. It's okay to let it go. If you're wondering how, consider these options. Facebook Marketplace. Listed as free, it'll be gone in no time. There are donation centers. Many hauling companies will take care of this for you. And there are auctions. Only worthwhile if you have high-end items or antiques. Consider maybe a family member wants to keep something as a keepsake. Wow, now that that's all done, what's next? You may be thinking or asking, should I fix this? Am I wasting money? What if I don't have extra funds for repairs? Well, let's talk about the additional upgrades you should avoid before listing your home. Number one, don't remodel your kitchen. If you haven't done it yet, don't do it now. Buyers have different tastes, and instead, why don't you consider freshening it up? You can do a refresh by swapping out old cabinet pulls for the brushed nickel. Boom, instant upgrade. Now, number two, don't replace your flooring unless it's in terrible shape. If you must, go for a mid-grade carpet. It looks great, installs fast. Or consider a deep professional carpet clean. That can often make a huge difference. Next, don't replace your roof unless it's absolutely necessary. Next, don't over-improve beyond your home's or your neighborhood's value. Think pools, extreme landscaping, sports courts. Avoid these because they don't guarantee a return on your investment. Instead, focus on minor improvements that enhance appeal without overspending. Next, don't do partial fixes. If something isn't perfect, go ahead and disclose it. Let the buyers make their own decisions versus making it look like a DIY gone wrong. Transparency builds trust with your buyer. Okay, now you're wondering, what should I do to prepare my home for sale? Here you go. Number one, you want to paint inside and out. Think neutral colors. They're going to make your home feel fresh and inviting. Stick to the light grays, beiges, warm whites. These appeal to the most buyers. Number two, declutter. Less is more. You want to remove excess furniture and decor to create a more open and spacious feel. Next, depersonalize. Buyers need to envision themselves here and not you. It's time to take down the personal photos, the awards, the collections. Remember to take you out of the house. Next, it's a deep cleaning. Make sure it looks and smells amazing. Remember, it must smell well to sell. Pay special attention to kitchens, bathrooms, and carpets. Consider that professional cleaning service if necessary. And then next, it's spruce up the landscaping. First impressions matter. You want to trim the overgrown bushes, plant fresh flowers, and add a new layer of mulch to get that instant curb appeal. And now for that bonus tip. If you're short on cash for the home prep or you don't want to do the work yourself, don't worry. You can rehab now, and pay at closing. This means you can make the necessary improvements to the property, boost your home's value without paying upfront. Now, here's how it works. There are professional service providers that I can introduce you to who will handle all the repairs, all the updates. They're going to cover the costs involved up front, and then you will be obligated to pay from your home sales proceeds to cover those costs. You get to get the upgrades without any cash out of pocket up front. You're getting the higher price. You're taking the stress of the out of pocket expenses away. If you want to learn more, you reach out to me today and let's get your home sold for top dollar. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm always interested in learning more about what you want to accomplish. Certainly share with me your questions, concerns, and hallucinations. Call Norm.